Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and we're gonna do a little something today that I don't always do, especially with my offshore rods. But I'm getting ready to do a little inshore fishing, and I don't have time to take them down to the tackle shop and put them on a line rewinding machine and all that. With these little 2000s, 2500 reels, I don't have to. You know, you start spooling up a Penn 30 International or an 80, that takes a long time to spool by hand. These, no problem. They're gonna take a few hundred yards of line. I'm using Seaguar Smackdown 10 pound to spool this first rod. They come in this super convenient 300 yard spool. Now, just to put a little tension on this, since I'm by myself, I'm gonna drop it in this bucket of water, just like that. I have my tag in right here, and I'm just gonna run it down through the guides. You just wanna be really careful, especially with this lighter stuff, that as you're running this line down through the guides, you don't miss one. It's super easy to do, especially as you get a little older. Might not have your cheaters with you. You know, you just wanna make sure you catch every one of those guides. And I can just use any kind of knot I want. I prefer the uni knot. And all I'm doing, putting it on the spool right here, taking a wrap. Penn makes a super nice rubber knurling right here where your braid cinches down really good and doesn't slip. All I'm doing, giving myself a little drag, pinching this line right between my fingers to give it a little more tension, but the bulk of the tension is coming from the water in the bucket. And now I'm just spooling it up, right? And that water is putting just enough tension on that braid where it's not gonna get on here loose. Everybody knows what happens when you have loose braid, right? It starts to cinch down on itself, and that's the last thing you want when you're fighting a nice fish. The line going on here is going on nice and smooth, even and tight. This reel's pretty much spooled up. I also want to leave a little bit of room so I could add my fluorocarbon leader on here. Just a super easy way to spool your lightweight reels. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.